Why do I have to pay national insurance? What is national insurance? Why is it being deducted from my payslip? How is it being calculated? These are some of the questions that are asked by taxpayers in the UK about their national insurance. So in today's video, I'd like to talk about national insurance deduction, why it is taken, how it is calculated. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. However, before we go on, if we haven't met, my name is Ola Sulaiman. I'm your tax girl. I'm a chartered accountant and also a tax specialist that work with small business, medium businesses, advising them in their personal and business tax issues and also their accounting compliance issues. I'm also the author of this book. I call it my green book. Diary of a Tax Girl is actually a very fantastic book that explains your tax issues in the UK in a very simplified way. If you want to watch more tax videos when I upload them, kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video please, and then share with your friend. I really appreciate that. So what is national insurance? It's a form of tax that are paid by taxpayers in the UK that go over a certain threshold in their income. It is a good form of tax. This is why I say to my clients, because you actually benefit from your contributions that you make over a period of time when you get your state pension age. And this year, coronavirus has even made us realize that it's possible for us to be out of employment due to things that are out of our control. So everybody that have been contributing national insurance were able to collect income support during this situation. So because of that, you'll be able to collect other support from the government, either your maternity pay or sick leave, just because you're contributing into national insurance pot. So it's a good form of tax. The type of national insurance you pay depends on your personal circumstances, the amount of income you earn, if you're employed or you're self-employed. So the type of national insurance that employed people pay is different from the one that self-employed people pay as well. For employed individuals in the UK, when you receive your payslip, you see a bit that says employer's contribution, employees contribution. The reason is because when you earn over a certain threshold, you pay national insurance, and also your employer as well pay at 13.8 into your national insurance pot. That's why at times most employed people in the UK have loads of money in their national insurance pots. So let's talk about the threshold for payment for deduction of national insurance. For monthly paid employees, if you haven't earned more than £520 in a month, your employer does not deduct national insurance. And also if you haven't earned over 792 monthly, they don't actually have to contribute towards your employer's national insurance. For the directors, if you haven't earned over 9,500 in a year, you don't have to pay national insurance as well. For self-employed individual, they pay a different form of national insurance. It's referred to as Class 2 National Insurance or Class 4 National Insurance. For Class 2 National Insurance, if your trading income does not go over 6,475 in a tax year, you don't have to pay Class 2 National Insurance, although you can actually voluntarily pay if you want. Also, the rate of the payment is £3 and 5 pence per week. It's a weekly flat rate. So that's why when you do your registration, they would ask you when you first became a self-employed person, so that they can calculate the number of weeks or the amount you're going to pay in the tax year. The second form of national insurance that is paid by self-employed individual is referred to as Class 4 National Insurance. The Class 4 National Insurance is at the rate of 9% of your trading income that goes over 9,500 in this tax year. So because of that, any individual or a self-employed person that earns between 9,500 and 50,000, they have to pay extra additional national insurance at 9%, and any amount that goes over 50,000 is at 2% rather than 9%. All this money for national insurance for self-employed people are usually paid when they're submitting their returns, and the deadline for payment is usually 31st of January after the tax year end. Now, if you've been watching this video since and you feel like I've not actually met the threshold, or I'd actually like to contribute more to my national insurance because I've got a few gaps to my national insurance, yes, you can actually contribute to national insurance. It's referred to as class 3 national insurance or voluntary national insurance. It's at the rate of £15 13 pence weekly. You can also set a direct debit with them. However, HMRC have to first assess and check if you qualify to contribute to the national insurance pot, because usually they don't like people to contribute more than the certain amount in a tax year. Because remember I said the number of the amount you contribute into this pot, national insurance pot, is what you be paid when you get to a pension age. So they want to be careful that people that have enough income do not abuse the situation. That is why at times you get a refund for national insurance, just because they don't want you to contribute too much in a tax year. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and because I usually say for every tax knowledge you save money, it helps in future from so many stress. Thank you so much. My name is Ola Sulaimon.